Hello students, now I am going to discuss double sampling plan. Okay, so here it was discovered by Dodge and Romick, and students, it was actually in this method, it is called as second sample method, and it is permitted if the first sampling plan, single sampling plan fails, and if the data from the first sampling plan is not conclusive on either side, 50-50, it is good or bad, we don't know, or if it is rejected or by any other reason, then by some definite reason is taken on the basis of second sample. So it is known as double sampling plan. So what we do, we have capital N as lot size, N1 is the size of first sample, then N2 is the sample of size of second sample, then C1 is the acceptance number for the first sample, C2 will be the acceptance number for both the samples combined, students. Okay, both the samples combined, remember this. So here D1 is the number of defectives in the first sample. Okay, D2 is the number of defectives in the second sample. Now let's start with the procedure. Okay, for procedure, students, take a sample for the first time. Take a sample of size N1 from the lot of size capital N. Okay, now check this N1 sample, inspect it. Then in the second step, what happens if D1, the number of defectives in the first sample, is less than or equal to C1, acceptance number for the first sample, then accept the lot. Otherwise, if D1 is greater than C1, reject the lot. And students, if this is the third point, and if fourth point is if after this the whole lot is detailed on 100% replacing. Suppose when you accept this lot, then the whole lot will be whatever, if you are finding defectives, that will be replaced, and you will accept that lot. And in this, if that lot gets rejected by some reason, then again that particular lot will be replaced, and that in that all bad items will be replaced again. And after this replacement, what will happen, students? Here it will be again its second sampling will be done. Second sample you will start. If C1 plus C1 plus 1, if C is less than D1, C1 is less than D1, less than or equal to C2, take second sample of size N2. Okay, N2 from the remaining N you have from that you can take it. Then if students, in the first step, in the fifth step, if D1 plus D2 is less than or equal to C2, then accept. Okay, otherwise if D1 plus D2 is greater than C2, reject the lot. Okay, C2, reject the lot. Understood, students? And after accepting this lot, replace the bad items and make it and start accept it. And students, after inspection, the rejected lot 100% replace defective items by the good ones. Okay, so this is the answer for this double sampling plan. Thank you for listening to my lecture. Do like, share and subscribe.